that there are 36 separate accounts,
Yes.
right? Which have not been seized. Now, Malaz, that's also factually incorrect, and I showed demonstrated they are seized. One second. Malaz, if I give money which are proceeds of crime to B, A gives to B, B's account will be frozen. B's account will be frozen. Not A's account, Malaz.
Yeah.
Hold on. Please don't interrupt me.
These accounts, every day the money is going. It's a continuous offense.
Malaz, there's an administrator appointed by the High Court. Malaz, the single judge appointed an administrator. What is he saying? Malaz, let him show any single transaction that has happened.
Yes.
Show one transaction that is continuing.
I never interrupted when my...
No, please show that. Because you're making a wrong statement.
Reading a wrong freezing order.
Dishonest financial dealings and suspected unlawful collection of money may have been rooted and subsequently deposited into...
Mr. Sibal, now, if we decided what survey is in the main matter.
I'm sorry?
If we
I don't
decide-
want your lordship to decide, Malaz. I want an interim order, Malaz.
You just coming on 20th, we'll ask High Court to decide on 20th. Both of you cooperate and finish it up, then come back again. Anyway, both of you are going to come, either one of you going to come back here. We'll take it up on that day.
But Malaz, Malaz kindly, all right, let's leave that out, Malaz.
Yes.
Kindly come to the impugned order. All right, let's come to the impugned order.
Yes.
What does the impugned order say? That there are 36 separate accounts,
Yes.
right? Which have not been seized. Now, Malaz, that's also factually incorrect, and I showed demonstrated they are seized. Para 33, Malaz.
Yes.
It says, other than 3 accounts debit freeze by the ED, there are 36 other accounts in the name of the petitioner 1, and the said accounts altogether amount to 164 crores. That's what he says, Malaz. Now, kindly see, Malaz, the document. Kindly see my additional affidavit. Page 21.
21.
Yes. Factually incorrect. Kindly see page A2, annexure A2.
Yes.
These accounts, Malaz, number 5, in the additional affidavit. Page 30, page annexure A2. Your Lordship has that?
Yes.
No, Your Lordship don't.
Item page 21, no?
22 is a communication,
Yes.
Malaz,
Yes.
saying intimation of debit freeze of your accounts. That's on 7th of July. These are the very accounts that have been frozen. And the judge says that they are available with me. And this is their own document, Malaz. Page 21, Malaz.
Yes. Okay. Only thing is, fellas, we were not going to the merits of the case. But only thing is, it says your case itself is 160. Are you still investigation for other amount or you were?
Investigation is going on every day. My lord, money is going from the... We have
No.
the account. From that account, money is going every day. There's money laundering.
How can you know it's frozen, Malaz? My learned friend, how can you make that statement?
It was spent.
Is it your case, if it is your case that 160 crores is the proceeds of crime, according to you?
It is increasing day by day because money is being continuously laundered.
But it's been frozen. How can it be? What is he saying?
They are paying advance amount for the rest of the year now through the bank accounts.
Well, this is not even their case.
That's
This
our
is not even their case.
See, how do you go beyond your own?
That's right.
Kindly have a look at 112. My lord, we are not going beyond.
See, we are not going to the merits of the case. We already made it clear to both of you. But then, you have to come clear and then say, what is your case, specific case? Therefore, the court will decide only
Kindly have a look at page 1.
That's right. I don't mind that, Malaz.
But anything beyond 160, how do you go into, unless you...
Therefore, my answer is
Malad-
page 113. My lord.
Malaz, there's a... issue here.
You've got 113.
One second.
Point out.
Malaz, if I give money which are proceeds of crime to B, A gives to B, B's account will be frozen. B's account will be frozen. Not A's account, Malaz.
Yeah. Money.
Hold on. Please don't interrupt me. Malaz, under the law, if there are proceeds of crime moving from A to B, B's account will be frozen. So they have frozen A's account. How can they do that? Malaz, these are very serious. And the Malaz,
No, but again, that's a matter on merit. So
it's not on merits, Malaz. It's the law.
That's right. You already.
But Malaz,
That
they
you have
can't.
raised it,
Malaz, I
and
can't pay my employees.
See, put it to him, put it only
I
on
can't
this.
pay my employees. Malaz, the whole. Kindly
That's
see
what
what
we
the
are going to put.
consequences are. And the High Court passed an interim order.
See, my brother says it is frozen now.
Malaz,
See, now there's no question of continuously being done as of now. You have got the entire amount.
Therefore,
160 crores you are entitled to, we are not passing any order because it has to be decided by the High Court.
fair enough. May I only point out two
Yes.
things? But the Money Laundering Act is not only for actual money, but prevention of money laundering. Kindly have a look. We are preventing it. Kindly have a look at page 113. But these accounts, every day the money is going. It's a continuous offense.
Well, there's an administrator appointed by the High Court. Well, the single judge appointed an administrator. What is he saying?
Fair.
Well, let him show any single transaction that has happened.
Yes, 113.
No, you show every single transaction that has happened.
Going. Kindly have a look.
Yes.
113. FIR also alleges dishonest financial dealings, unlawful collection of money and routing of suspected funds through the above HDFC bank accounts of AITC. The process of siphoning is
This
continuing.
is his freezing order, Malaj.
It is continuing. Daily it is continuing.
Show one transaction that is continuing.
I never interrupted when my...
No, please show that. Because you are making a wrong statement.
Reading your own freezing order.
But then, non-interference applies only to me, not to him.
This is a freezing order.
Therefore, Bharat, this account is being used to, it is a continuous process as far as the account is concerned.
And tell us, see, and we are not able to be very clear with this. It's only too vague and I think. What is your proceeds of crime and what do you want to do with this?
Our proceeds of crime
See,
are
103,
increasing day by day.
you are 160 crores, you are right, because there is specific allegation on that, no problem. The other things now he says that it is in the hands of the administrator.
Yes, that's the order passed.
They are not going to deal with it, administration appointed by the.
Yes.
So we only facilitate the administrator pending the final order to be passed.
Yes.
To deal with the remaining matter and then you will also be knowing.
That's
The
right.
administrator could not have been appointed because the freezing order had already been passed before the administrator was appointed.
This is
Therefore, you say on what basis you are freezing the entire amount.
But the basis this at page 113 is the answer, my lord.
What is the freezing order?
Account is being used to further launder the money.
That's a freezing order, so that's a freezing order.
We'll satisfy, my lord, we'll satisfy as well as the High Court. Matters coming up on 20th, hardly 15 days.
No, let him.
1 rupee to meet our day-to-day accounts.
No, that's not correct.
Salaries of employees.
164 crores are left, 164.
We will do one thing.
Nothing right now.
We will do one thing. Otherwise, we will at least to have some amount to be dealt by
164 crores are
administrator
left.
without prejudicial contention in that.
Manoj, that's exactly what the High Court said at page 142.
164 crores.
Will you allow me to argue, miss?
Expensive.
Madam, that's all right.
Because something has to happen. See, we need to pass some order here, see, to facilitate this. We will only say they will not touch it. We will at least contribute some amount for the administration.
Manoj, that order is there at 142. Just see that order, Manoj. If you're not, allow me, sir. 142.
But may I give the account?
142, Manoj.
Kindly have a look.
Para 35 at 142. Mr. Talukdar, former judge of the High Court at Calcutta, is appointed special officer till 30th of September, and petitioner shall pay 1.2 lakh per month to him. As it is found at this stage, this court is not required to decide the faction, which is the faction. Court permits any two of the present authorized signatories of the three banks to present check before the special officer, and special officer shall countersign it. Thereafter, check will be presented before the bank. However, it is clarified, petitioner shall be permitted to operate FOR 3 account for incurring day-to-day expenditure, monthly expenditure to run the political party in terms of paragraph 8 of the supplementary affidavit affirmed on 7th July. For paying honorarium to the special officer shall be permitted to operate those bank accounts. I am not even allowed to operate. And in addition, thereto,
Not correct.
shall also be
Not correct.
permitted to
Kindly
be
have a-
legal expenditure.
Kindly have a look at this.
There is no need for arguments here.
I'll put an affidavit,
Please, what we are suggesting to you is, just think over. We will release some amount to the administrator to allow him to do something.
Yeah.
already available. Kindly have a look at this. Already available.
Yes.
164 crores.
It's available.
Not attached. Not attached.
Okay.
I showed that, Your Lordship, it's false.
No.
It is attached. I just showed it to you. That 7th of July letter says that these accounts are
If
attached.
you record your statement, 164 is not attached, they'll be happy.
Yes. Say that.
Please get the clear
Let him say
identification
that.
on this.
I'll put it on affidavit.
Yeah,
Manoj.
No, let him say, you pass.
Affidavit.
Okay, all right.
I'll put
We'll
it
call
on
it next week
Yes.
then, because otherwise we'll only say that we are not saying that the High Court is, can produce now, proceed with the matter.
No, they also, let them say on Friday, Malaj, that the 164 accounts is available.
Friday, I'm not here.
What, Malaj, available. How many times did you say the same?
Next
Next.
Great.
Hold on, next.
215
You
employees.
heard the London Senior Council appealing for the petitioner and then the ASG appealing for his one. We have suggested to both sides, to the ASG as to whether some amount can be released in favor of the London administrator to undertake the day-to-day exercise.
Yes.
Especially when he has been appointed by the orders of the court and he is directed to account for the same. Then the ASG seeks time to give instruction.
My statement that there are several accounts which are not attached.
Normally, you never lose your cool. Monday Blue probably, my junior brother made a reference that Monday Blue is making something. Normally, you don't lose your cool.
Malaj, what do I do, Malaj, when political parties are stymied in this fashion?
Right.
Malaj,
See,
after all, we need,
many other things.
parties need oxygen to breathe.
we are not inclined, we thought of giving you some.
Well, it's not fair.
That's it. Because my matter is pending with the High Court, we will not go into the merits.
Now, I understand that.
That, Mr. Raju, only to that extent.
Only
Only
to that extent.
to that-
Yes, that's fine.
We already made it clear we are not going to merits.
Returnable, Malaj.
Just make sure that things are moving, that's the only thing.
Only to that limit.
Returnable this Friday. Returnable this Friday, Malaj.
Tuesday.
Friday, I'm not here. man.
Next Tuesday.
Monday,
Next Tuesday, sir.
next Tuesday. That's fine. Deeply obliged.
तो दोस्तों ये था पूरा मामला, जहां एक तरफ ईडी का दावा कि नियमों की अनदेखी हुई और वहीं टीएमसी का कहना है कि खाते फ्रीज होने से उनके रोजमर्रा का काम ठप पड़ गया है। माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बीच का रास्ता निकालने का सुझाव दिया है। अब सबकी नजरें 11 अगस्त की अगली सुनवाई पर टिकी है। देश की सबसे बड़ी अदालत इस पर क्या अंतिम फैसला लेती है, यह देखना बेहद अहम होगा। आपको क्या लगता है? अपनी कीमती राय कमेंट्स बॉक्स में जरूर साझा करें। जय हिंद दोस्तों।